Hi, so now in this chapter we will learn about Python string formatting. Let me correct the spelling. Okay, so why I am introducing this chapter? Because as a developer you always make sure that the string will display as expected, because you don't know uh, what input you will get from the database, what input you will get from the user, whether it is in a good format or not. Always you don't know. Okay, so for this we can format the result of whatever input we have taken from the database or from the outsource. We will format this by using a format method. Okay, format method, it is very important method. So now let's define it. This format method basically allows you to format the selected part of a string. Let me write it. Allows you to format the selected path of a string. Okay, because sometimes there are some parts of a text that you do not control. Maybe they come from the database, maybe they come from the user input. Okay, so like this. So to control such values you can use the placeholders, which is called the curly brackets, like this. Okay, in the text, and you can run the values through the format method. Okay, so now let's see in practical how you can do this. Okay, so now we will place a placeholder where we want to display the price. Just suppose I have taken a variable called price, and the price will be, let's say, 49. Okay, now I am taking another variable called text, and here I am printing a string like the price is, let's say I am using bracket. Okay, and now dollars. Okay, so now if just suppose I want to print, so it is very easy to print via the method text. I am calling the string via text dot I will use format, and here I'll use price. Understood? So what this code will do, this will first recall the text, then it will use the format method, and then in the price section this price will replace in the curly brackets. If I'll run this, you can see the price is $49, right? Means you can add parameter inside the curly brackets to specify how to convert the value. Understood? Let's say I want to format the price to be displayed as a number with just suppose 4 decimal or 2 decimals. So here what I'll do, again I'll use text as a string or something. The same example I am taking, the price is, okay, and in the curly brackets you can define it via colon, then .2f. What is .2f here? Look, .2f is basically a string format. Okay, there are a lot of format for decimal, for different types. Okay, I'll tell you in the string method section, and even I have made a different video of the string section where you can refer it. Okay, so 2f is 2 point of value. Understood? Like just suppose I will take 49, then 49.00, two values. Okay, so then here's dollars. Okay, and same thing I want to print it, so let's do it first. Price is equals to 49, and then let's print it. Print what? The no, print text. Okay, dot, call the format method, and then call the price. Understood? If you will run it, then you can see we have used 0.2f, means 2 decimal point. So it is showing me the price is $49.00. Okay, you can refer the string format method for displaying different types of values. Okay, and just in any case, if you want to use more values, okay, so for using more values, just add more values to the format string. Simple. Let me write a heading for using multiple or more values. So what you will do, the same thing we will use here. Just suppose let me take a different example. Let me take Q as a quantity. Okay, let's say 3. Okay, let me take item. Okay, item is like let's say 5, 6, 7, and let me take a price. Price is equal to 49. Okay, and let me take another variable like my order. So here I want to display all these 3 format: quantity means Q, item, and price. So let me write a string I want, then curly bracket, pieces of let's say item number, this and this. Okay, for price. So in price we can use the same string method, string reference method, point method. So let me include point 2f. Okay, and last dollars. This is a simple statement. I want let's say 3 pieces. Wait. I have misspelled. PIECES. Okay, I want, let's say, 3 pieces of item number 567 for $49.00. Okay, and this I want to print. So how it we can print it? Print, and here my order. Oh, I need to write inside the bracket my order. Okay, then dot, I'll use format. Okay, and in format I'll use all the 3 curly brackets. First curly bracket should be the Q. Okay, then the second one would be the item, and the third word would be the price. Understood? If I'll run this, then you can see I want 3 pieces of item number 567 for $49.00. It's very easy. Okay, and just suppose if you want to exchange, if you want to replace, or if you want to change the number of the sequence according to the statement, just suppose I want to change the statement, overall statement. Okay, then how I can do it? I can use the index number. Changing the statement series by the index number. Okay, it is very interesting. Okay, so for look, you can use the index number. Okay, for placing the values to the correct placeholder. Like let me take the same example. Wait, let me copy this. Copy. Okay, then here let me paste. Okay, now it is pasted. The series is almost same. Q is 3, quantity is 3, item, price, and my order, I'll change the my order. Now here I'll Okay, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third, right? So here I can use 0 as an index. Okay, here I can use 1 as an index, and here I can use 2 as an index. Okay, and almost all the things are same. If I'll run, then again the same output I am getting, right? So you can use the by default by default series, or you can use the index number. It is up to you. You can use anything what you want as per your comfortable zone, right? And also, if you want to refer to the same values more than once, then also you can use the index number. Okay, so now let's take a different example. Referring the same value more than once. What I mean by this, via an example you can understand. Let's take an age 36. Okay, okay, age 36, and a variable name is, let's say, Sharad, and then text, and here let me write his name is, okay, and then curly bracket. So here I'll use 1. Okay, his name is 1. 1 is the index number, which is Sharad, right? So dot, then I'll use again 1, which means Sharad is let's say 0. The index number means age. 0 is the age, right? Index number. So years old. Understood? So by default in the statement I have written this. Now I will print this. Print what? Text, sorry, text dot, again I'll use format, and then first index means 0 is age and 1 is name. Here I am defining it. Okay, if I'll print this, then you can see his name is Sharad and Sharad is 36 years old. So by this way also you can do the same thing. Okay, but this case, if you want to refer to the same value more than once again and again, then you can refer to the index number, no problem. Okay, and even you can use the named index. Here you are using just a general index numbers. You can also use the name index. Okay, you can use the name index by entering the name inside the curly bracket. Let me tell you, let me show you what I am saying. Named index, it is also very simple. Okay, look, you can use name index values by entering a name inside the curly bracket. Like previously you have given the numbers, the indexes, but here you can use the name also. But then you must use names when you pass the parameter value. Okay, so let me tell you it by an example. Just case, let me create a variable order. Okay, and here let me take, I have a, let's say, car name. I will define the car name later on. I have a car name. Okay, and it is let's say model, model. I'll create a model variable also. It has a this model. Okay, then full stop, string is over. Let's recall it like order. Okay, then dot, I'll use again the format, and then the first index or the first reference would be car name, which is equal to, let's say, Ford, my favorite car company. Okay, and then what I have taken model, model. Okay, model, and the model would be, let's say, EcoSports. This is my car, so I have written. Understood? And if you will print this, then you can see I have a Ford and it is EcoSports. Understood? So there are various ways you can format the string, you can use the string. Okay, I have taught you in this section the string format method with an example, and how you can use the more values. Okay, means multiple values, more values in the same statement. Okay, you have seen the indexes numbers also. By the indexes numbers you can also place it via the correct placeholder. Okay, you can use the name indexes also by using by putting the indexes in inside the curly bracket, right? So these are some basic things you need to understand, and this is actually a very huge chapter, but I have taught you in a very simple format because this is actual necessary. Okay, if you will see, if you will code something, then you must follow these processes, these procedures. Okay, so hope you guys understood it. So let's wrap this chapter and go to the next one. Okay, till then, bye bye.